Number Block 17 is a friendly, green-colored character in the BB series, who is often depicted as a rock star and appears with a guitar. 1. The United States flag is a prominent symbol featuring 13 horizontal stripes, 7 red and 6 white, representing the original colonies, and a blue canton containing 50 white stars, 1 for each current state. 1. Eswatini is not the largest country in the world. Russia holds the title by land area. The mathematical statement that 17 squared is 289 is correct.
Have you let me before? What did he do first? Winter, 1, 2, 2 twos are 4. 231, 200, 720, 9,800, 720, 48. Let's go back to 8. Okay, what did you do first? Well, exploring October. But I didn't know. How did we gonna survive? 246, 20, 40. Let's go back to 12.
That statement is incorrect.
What did you do first? Jump. The super duper rectangle. 3 by 4.
The statement that number block 12 has no shorts is incorrect. 12 is actually the second number block confirmed to wear shorts after 11.
628, 627, 318, 84, 48. Now let's go back to 16. Indoors make it door flow. If by accidentally I hit you. 4, 2. 828, 98, 84, adding 4 to 20. 20. What did he do first? Underwater 1. I need the doubles to show you. 623, 28, 16, 16, 200, 14. Now let's go back to 24. I'm 24. What did you do first?
The result is 6. Explanation. The division calculation 24 divided by 4 yields 6.
What did she do first? Number 2.
The statement is incorrect. The number block 28's usual arrangement does have holes in the middle column. The main block arrangement is her tower with windows, which resembles a 3 by 11 rectangle with gaps in the middle column, not a solid shape. Number block 28 can form various shapes, including tower with windows, a 3 by 11 arrangement with holes in the middle, 4 by 7 rectangle with solid rectangular shape, step shape of triangular number formation, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. Square with a collective block out of 31 by 1 inner space. Chunky cross another non-rectangular arrangement. She is known as a pattern pioneer in the show because she enjoys making and showing off her different arrangements.
1,472, 44, 200, 660.
The results for the calculations of 2,106 and 81. Step 1. Subtract the numbers. 7,340 minus 1,554 is equal to 5,786. 5,786 minus 1,472 is equal to 4,314. 4,314 minus 2,208 is equal to 2,106. So the result is 2,106. Step 2. Divide 26. 2,106 divided by 26 is equal to 81. So another result is 81. That is correct. Open parenthesis 7,340 minus 1,554 minus 1,472 minus 2,208 close parenthesis divided by 26 is equal to 81.